Hi everyone, welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I am Mansi and today I am going to show you a tongue tickling recipe which is peri peri potato chips. Now I am sure everybody is a fan of peri peri and that is what I am going to show you today, a peri peri chips recipe. Now over here I have taken raw potatoes and I have thinly sliced them and I have also not peeled them. I have kept the skin intact. You can see how thinly I have sliced them. This is exactly the thickness that we want. If you're going to slice these potatoes a bit in advance, so what you can do is slice them up and then soak them in water until you're going to fry it. Now over here I have drained the water. I've already kept the oil to heat. Now as these potatoes are raw, it's going to take some time to cook. So we'll start frying them in batches. Deep fry these chips on a medium flame. Now till this batch is getting fried, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the peri peri mixture. So first I'm going to take some chili powder, some chili flakes, some garlic powder. Keep stirring it in between to check. We'll add some oregano, black salt, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, powdered sugar. As there is a lot of spice, this will balance the taste, and ginger powder, which is also called soot, and finally some salt. And we're going to just mix this up. We're going to cook these potato chips till they are golden brown in color. So peri peri mix is also ready. What you can do is you can prepare a larger quantity and keep it in your kitchen cupboard and use it anytime you wish to have fries. So yes, this is done. We'll keep this aside and let's check our potatoes. Now you have to be very patient over here because this is going to take some time. You want those crisp and golden brown chips. So no need to go to a restaurant to have the peri peri chips. You can make it at home. You can serve it as a starter or a snack. Everybody is really going to enjoy it. Yes, you can see the chips have turned golden brown. That's a sign they have been cooked. So we are going to drain it on an absorbent paper. In the same way, we'll deep fry the remaining batch and then we'll toss them in the peri peri masala. So here goes our last batch. And cook these chips on a slow flame. These chips will not be completely crisp, but they will be little soft and little crisp. So that is totally fine. So this batch is also done. We'll just remove it and drain it. Switch out the flame. So this is done. So our chips is ready. Now what I'm going to do is, we have to coat it with the peri peri masala. So I've taken the bowl over here. Just put the chips into it. Now when the chips are hot, that time only you have to toss in the peri peri masala. Otherwise it will not coat the chips nicely. Now here is the peri peri masala. Just sprinkle it and toss it. Make sure you toss it very well so that all the chips have been coated with the peri peri masala. Yes, so this is done. So peri peri chips is ready. Go ahead and serve it and let us know how it turned out. Bye bye.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com. If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.